pleases me is that we got to win this game even if we had a lot of errors giving
Yeah.
away to NU, diba? So parang alam ng team na they're far from the finished article, and I guess that's what really inspires me as a fan na parang
Oo.
we make our own luck eh kasi even if we make mistakes, we are also lucky that our opponents make mistakes, especially attacking errors nila, and I think I will attribute that to our intimidating net defense. Pag lumulundag yung blockers natin, sometimes yung attacks ng NU, they just soar above everyone else. So it goes out and it goes untouched. And parang, alam mo yun, that's really just what we built as a team. I don't recall a team in recent history sa Lasal na maliit sa net. We always have our blockers and our even our opposites and open spikers. Parang lahat sila nagtutulong-tulong sa net. So I guess that's really discipline and the character of the Lasal volleyball brand under Coach Ramil.